Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com coming at you today for a quick product spotlight video talking about 1955, the newest shaving soap from Rex Supply Co. So, 1955, it is a love letter to the past, as we say in the product description. It's a blast from the past. It is something that's near and dear to my heart. It's kind of an homage to shaving soaps the way they used to be in the olden world, right? That's why we called it old world tallow soap. So instead of using a vegetable-based soap base for the product, we actually use animal fat. It's called tallow. It comes from beef fat. It's very rich and moisturizing. It's great on your skin. I just got done shaving with this. It's hydrating, it's slick, it's smooth. It's now my absolute favorite shaving soap. No joke. I use this at home exclusively for the last 3 or 4 months. It's something that when you're done shaving, the post-shave feel is just incredible. It's almost like you don't need an aftershave product. If you get dry skin or sensitive skin, I would highly recommend this product. It also, in terms of the fragrance notes, we looked at some of the most popular fragrances of the 1950s, aftershaves and splashes and colognes, and we grabbed some of the major notes we saw kind of reoccurring. And so those scent notes are hyacinth, vetiver, gardenia, and sandalwood. And these are notes that are floral, they're woodsy, masculine, clean. It's not gonna be something where you smell it and you get a headache. It's not gonna smell chemically. It's not gonna smell like some designer scent either. It's gonna smell very honest, very real. It's gonna smell down to earth. It smells like your grandfather, it really does. It's something that anyone should be proud to have in their bathroom, and you should be able to use it on any occasion. It won't compete with another product. If you want to put like a special fragrance or designer cologne on afterwards, it's not going to compete. It actually may kind of accentuate the clean and fresh smell you have about yourself. I can't say enough good things about this. I love the way it looks. I love the way our label turned out, the art on it. And it's just one of many to come. We have 2 other shaving soaps from Rex Supply Co. that will be coming out soon that kind of follow the same thematic element of the years, the decades we're going to go with. So I'm just in love with it. Just got done using it, like I said, and it performs wonderfully. If you haven't checked it out, please do. I'm very, very proud of this. I think it complements the Rex line too. We wanted it to be something that they belong together, they go together like peas and carrots, that if you're using this product and you love the quality of Rex that for your hardware, you can now come to love to expect that same kind of quality from the software. So this is 1955 from Rex Supply Co. I really wanted to demonstrate quickly how it lathers. So we just use it so you see some residue lather, but I'm going to show you just how fast this lathers up. I'm just going to get a cheap badger brush. This is a $25 badger brush, guys, nothing crazy. A little bit of water on here, and in a matter of seconds, I'm going to have an incredible lather. It's going to blossom up, and I always have to keep on swiping it because, it just starts blooming and blossoming out of the dish. That's probably all the loading I'm going to do. If I was to take this over to my face, which I'm not going to use my face at the moment, I'll use my hand here just to show you. Imagine this was my face, how slick and easy this is to get a really nice creamy lather out of it. And this is something that's super hydrated and cushy. If I agitated it just a few more seconds, I'll get that cool up consistency I was talking about that you want to go for. There we go, with lather. So look at this lather, how dense it is, how creamy it is, and I can't tell you how slick and hydrating and moisturizing this is. Comforting. If you're someone with sensitive skin, this is the absolute perfect thing to put on top of your skin so that you don't get razor burn or irritation. Awesome product. Lathers instantly, guys. No work needed. And you saw I don't have a bowl and I don't have fancy water. I'm using probably the hardest water that there is. We're in a warehouse from 1922 and there's old copper pipes and iron pipes here. So we do not have high quality water, and still we have a phenomenal lather in seconds. So this is an awesome product if you guys are looking for something new in your den. If you've only been using vegan soaps and you want to try something that's an animal fat-based soap, give it a shot. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. Some of the most famous soaps of all time, like Tobacco or Mitchell's Wool Fat, used a animal fat to really accentuate the lather. And now the big trend is using duck fat and pig fat and donkey fat. I mean, I've seen all these different crazy fats being used now in shaving soaps. We are going with the classic beef, fat, a tallow-based shaving soap. So give it a shot. I think you'll love it as much as I do. And if you do, please leave me a comment below if you've tried this or another tallow-based shaving soap. Let me know what you think. So thank you so much, guys, for tuning in to Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving. We'll see you next time.